But how many of them actually work? To find out, I tested 5 popular home health devices. Here's what I found. First, the blood pressure monitor. When used correctly, readings were generally consistent, but small mistakes caused noticeable changes. Second, the smart scale. Weight tracking was reliable, but body fat readings fluctuated depending on hydration. Third, the pulse oximeter. Results were stable most of the time, but factors like movement and cold hands affected accuracy. Fourth, the thermometer. Simple to use, but timing and placement made a difference in readings. And finally, the fitness tracker. Great for general trends, but not always precise during intense activity. So what's the conclusion? Most health gadgets are useful, but none of them are perfect. The key is understanding how to use them correctly and focusing on trends, not single numbers. If you want clear, practical insights into smart health devices, subscribe for more.